Saracens feel he's guilty of victimisation. They feel he wasn't deserving of either ban he's received this calendar year. The Saracens boss Mark McCall said before the hearing yesterday he expected Ashton would be cleared. Others though feel he's got a bad attitude. He can be a bit petulant on the field. He has goaded opponents on a couple of occasions. Some aren't too fond of that famous swallow dive we heard about in the commentary clip. And while of course we don't want players acting like robots and all acting the same, it is good to have characters in the game. Surely he's crossed the line when we talk about actions such as biting, which clearly are unacceptable.
Chris Jones, thank you very much indeed. In last night's EFL Cup matches, there was a tremendous fight back from Chelsea. Cesc Fabregas scored twice in extra time as they beat Leicester City 4-2, having come from 2-0 down in the third round. All results are on the BBC Sport website. Rangers and Morton are into the semi-finals of the Scottish League Cup. England's women finished top of their qualifying group for Euro 2017 after a 2-0 win in Belgium.